Hello guys, so let's go ahead and make these cute little centerpieces. So we're gonna take one of these glass and spray paint it in gold. After that, I'm gonna grab this feather and place it inside. I'm gonna grab another one and just place it in the other side. Then after that, I'm gonna take this white branch and place it right in the back behind it. Then I'm gonna take a flower and place it right in the middle, like that. Then after that, I'm gonna take this cute little teddy bear and I'm gonna just place it on the side, like hugging the bottle like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of hot glue and take the back arm and attach it to the little bottle. Just put a tiny little bit so you don't damage the teddy bear. Then go ahead and grab your hot glue and put a little bit of the hot glue in the other arm and then just attach it to the bottle. You could also just hold one arm if you don't want to do both. And this is something simple, cute, and easy. This is the first one that I'm going to show you. If you don't know a lot of DIYs, you just want to do something simple. Now, for the next idea, I'm going to take one of these balloon stick and I'm going to place it right in the back. Just place it inside. Then I'm going to take this balloon and then attach it to the balloon holder. Just place it into the holder like that. And then go ahead and place the balloon in the back. This one is just to have it with a balloon in the back like that. Then go ahead and put a little bit of flower in the middle to cover the balloon. And then here you can also put a little bit more flowers around it if you would like. I'm going to have this cute little sign that says, "Oh, baby," and place it in the middle. And then this cute little star and place it in the other side. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. Super cute, super simple. I'm giving you a different idea that you guys can decide which one you like out of all of them. This is just with one little balloon, which I think is super cute and it looks great. And you could do it with any color that you would like. Now, if you want to do something different, I'm just going to go ahead and grab another balloon stick and I'm just gonna go ahead and place the balloon on top like that. So we're gonna do two of these whites and we're gonna place each one by the side. So first you're gonna go ahead and cut it a little bit because you want to make it a little bit shorter than the one in the middle, and then just go ahead and place two of them on each side. And this is how it turns out. Super cute, super simple. This is if you want to leave it with a big balloon, or you can make all the balloons smaller like this one. It's up to you, or you could place it like that, one on top or next to each other like that. Either way that you guys decide to do, I think it will look super cute and it's simple. You guys can do, and this could be for a baby shower, a birthday, any party thing. Just add up your little touch to it. Now, another way that you guys can do it, I'm gonna take one of this floral foam from Dollar Tree, and then I'm gonna take my hot glue and place a little bit of the hot glue right on top like that, and then I'm gonna take the flower base and just go ahead and place it right on top like that. Then just hold it into place into it attached. Once you do that, I'm gonna grab my flower. First, grab a toothpick, put a little bit of hot glue, and then attach it to the flower. And then just go ahead and place your flower in the floral foam like that. And then just continue attaching flower around it like that. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of beige and white. You could choose any color that you guys would like, and then just go ahead and attach it all the way around it. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. Super simple and super easy. I hope you guys like. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let's not forget to like and share and comment.